Cell shading usually involves 2 or 3 flat colors. They can be more depending on the artist and what they are going for. Whenever you're shading, whether it's soft or cell shading, it's important to always take note of the light source or light direction. So a cell shading will usually have a mid-tone, shadow, highlight, and in most cases a terminator. Marc adds the shadow flats first, which is basically another light source, before the mid-tones. I've actually never tried this method before, though I know some guys that do shade this way. Marc does this in grayscale first, by the way, so that he can focus on the values and not the colors. I do try to focus on the values too, but I don't begin with grayscale. What I usually do instead is that I create a layer, fill with black, and then change the layer mode to color. Then I can see the whole piece in grayscale and monitor the values. That's why I may start painting like this, which looks cool, but it could be better, and it ends up like this. I'm working with values in mind. It's almost the same thing with what Marc does, but a different process. That's why you need to understand values before you go into colors. But who am I to tell you what to do? Next step is to add some ambient occlusion for the 3D solid effect. Then add the highlights and a terminator line for that ultimate delicious